Hey, you amazing people out there, welcome to my video once again. How are you guys doing? I hope and pray you guys are all keeping safe, taking the necessary precautions to try to prevent yourself from getting sick from this COVID virus. Today I'm gonna do another cook video for you guys, but this time I won't be cooking. My mom will be doing the cooking today. Oh, I know Oriana and Hannah is going to love this video. Hey guys, this is what you guys been waiting for. Granny's cooking, Granny's cook up rice. So she'll be the one to be doing the cooking, and I'll be videoing her cooking because this is her recipe and this is her way of doing it. So I rather let her do it, and I'm going to just video how she's preparing it. I'm just going to show you guys the process and cooking it in stages as she does it. So stay tuned guys. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, these are the ingredients mom is going to use to make the cook-up rice. By the way, this is her style of doing it. This is one that she cooks regularly, and these are the things I see she prepared already. Here she has 1 cup of boiled peas, and this is a mixture of different peas or beans together. As you can see, it's the Goya 16 bean soup mix. You guys can use whatever peas you like, but here she has 1 cup. There she has the broth for the peas. That's 2 cups of broth, and she's using 2 cups of white rice today. Usually we use parboiled rice, but it's hard to find in the stores right now, so we're using the white rice today, and that's 2 cups. With 2 cups of rice, you'll use 4 cups of liquid. So that's 2 cups of broth along with 2 cups of coconut milk. If you're using the parboiled rice, then you use 8 cups of liquid according to mom. Along with that, I see she has some soy sauce there. She'll be using it. Of course, 1 pound of meat there. She got some seasoning here. This is her favorite seasoning she loves to use. She has the salt there, and some green herbs, onions, peppers, garlic, and okay, that's all I see she has up here. And then I think, oh yeah, there's some chicken in there to go with it too. So, okay, let's start cooking. See what this process looks like. Okay, there it's already lit. Oil is already in there. Okay, just gotta heat up a little bit. Okay guys, the oil is hot already. Okay Hannah, Ori, watch carefully. I know you guys was waiting for this. See guys, everyone has their own way in cooking. See, I do it different, and mom, she does it different too. There goes the garlic, onion, pepper, and the green seasoning. I think she's frying the meat up first. And this word cook up rice, I mean the name says it right there, cook up rice. I think there's so many different versions of cook up rice. I mean, you can put anything you want inside. I mean, there's so much different ones I've eaten in the past, and this is one of my top 10 favorite food. I know in Guyana they have the popular one that they put a lot of veggies inside, like what do you call it, spinach, kalaloo. Suriname, they use bituiri, gumawiri, all these leafy vegetables inside. That's not the one I am too impressed with, but I mean, I'll eat it. But I know that's a common one in Guyana. And then over here in Suriname, you call it Moksie Alesi. They have a different way in doing it also. It's so delicious, guys. The way they make it here in Suriname, it's a popular Suriname dish also. I guess she puts the meat inside there now. So I guess you let this fry for a while. Okay, that's about 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and that's the marinated soy sauce. And I see there she's putting about 2 tablespoons of the black soy to give it the color. And she uses the Badia all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, that's her favorite seasoning compared to my favorite seasoning, the Maggi seasoning. Hey, there goes my favorite seasoning. Alan, I hope you're watching this. Oh, like I said before, I wish the phones or the cameras had an app where you can smell what's cooking. Yes, I guess she'll cover it down there for a while and let it fry up a bit, and I'll get back to you guys. I don't think this should take that long to fry. I mean, it's not, hopefully it's not a tough meat. Hopefully it's already soft, because I'm getting hungry already. Okay, Mom is going to add some water to that now. Okay, so I guess you let it boil there for a while, and then I'll check in back with you guys in a bit. Okay guys, and there it's been boiling for a while now. Looking good, guys, looking good. I guess the meat is still a little bit tough. Okay guys, we'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay guys, the meat has been frying there now for about 20 minutes. So I guess now Mom is going to add the rest of the stuff in there. I'm supposing. Okay, she's gonna add the rice in there now. It's already been washed clean. That's 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of white rice. She's gonna put the 16 bean soup mix, and this choice of beans gives the food a Amazing flavor. And I forgot to add to that, she's also putting lontai. That's a Javanese spice, I guess. I'm not so sure. It gives the food a flavor. And the most famous of it all, the thyme, fine leaf thyme. Yep, guys, lots of thyme. Gives it a good flavor. You're gonna stir that all up now. And there goes 2 cups of coconut milk. And give it a stir. Put all that ingredients there together, guys. Starting to look so good. So yummy. There goes the 2 cups of broth. That's from the beans that she was boiling earlier. Of course, you gotta get that inside here, right? The pepper. Riri pepper, as we call it. Okay, guys, and we let that, well, not we, she let that boil there for a while. And I'll check it back in a bit and get back to you. It's already boiling there, guys. It's already looking good. Okay, Mom says she has to turn on the stove now. Okay, let it boil some more. Okay, checking the process there now, guys. See, it's coming along. That looks so delicious, guys. Oh, oh, oh. She's checking. She's checking to see if it's the rice is already cooked. I guess it doesn't have any much. It doesn't have longer. I want to give a big shout out to my buddy in Guyana, Ian. He has a new channel now too. It's called Little Guyana with Too Cool Family. Guys, let's support our buddy. Let's give him some love. Let's subscribe to this channel. He has some very good videos, very nice videos. He's putting Guyana on the map, and he has some wonderful cooking methods also. So let's support your brother and let's give him a lot of love. Shout out to you, Ian. Okay, according to Mom, it needs a little bit more of some liquid, so she's putting some more of the bean broth inside. Just a little bit more. That's how you have to check the process, guys. If the water boils out, then you can just add more to it, or I mean, in this case, bean broth. Mom had some grilled chicken in the refrigerator, so she decided to add it in the cook-up rice. I mean, you don't have to if you don't need to. I mean, you can add whatever you want. Just add it in there, I guess, for flavor. I don't know, it doesn't have that long more, maybe about 5 minutes, 5 minutes more maybe. We'll check you back in a while, guys. Well, guys, Granny's cook-up rice. This is the moment. Let's taste it and see. I asked Granny to taste. She said that she knows how it tastes. She's been doing this for all her life. So I'll do the taste test today. And I know Hannah, Oriana, you guys are drooling right now. Sorry, it's locked down. I can't help you guys or bring some for you guys. So good. That's so yummy. Let me get some of this pepper. That's so good, guys. It's so delicious. And when you're having food like this, you need to wash it down with some pargo beer. It's the best to go cook up rice. So delicious, guys. Oh, that's good. Well, guys, thanks to my mom for cooking this for me. If you guys love this vlog, then please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot when you guys like my videos and when you guys compliment me on the videos I'm putting out. I'm trying. I'll get better someday. I promise you guys that. And you guys, I'll catch you on the other video. Please stay safe. Take all the precautions necessary. I'll see you guys on the other video. Bye for now, guys.